Hello everyone. In this episode, we will learn different option for date slices in Power BI. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me show you the data table first. So this is the sales data. As you can see, the region, country, customer, so many columns. But in this episode, we will play with sales date and total sales. Okay. Now let me go back to the report page, and on your screen you can see first visual. Here you can see the day wise total sales. Okay. The below visual, the second visual, you can see month wise total sales. Now what I'm going to do, I will add a slicer and we'll try a different option for the date slicer. So from Power BI Visual Gallery, I will add date slicer first, and from the data model I will add sales date to slicer. Sorry, sales date. So as you can see, by default is a date range starting from the 1st Jan 2023 to 9th April 2024. So if here also in the first visual, as you can see, the starting is the 1st Jan, and here the end will be 9th of April 2024. And in the second visual, you can see starting month Jan and end month is April 2024. So if you want to change the start date, let me make it Feb, 1st Feb. So now you can see here the first visual, you can see here the starting day is 1st Feb. And in the below visual, you can see starting month is a Feb 2023. Similarly, if I want to control in date, I will say March, 31st March. So now you can see starting month is the second visual, starting month is Feb to March. And on the top visual, you can see starting day is 1st Feb to 31st March. Here you can see 31st March. Now we'll see the some another option. So we'll go to the setting, and in slicer setting, we will see the other option is before. So if you select a before, so it will disable the start date. It will only enable a end date. So right now we have a March 2024. If I want to reduce it or I want to change it to Feb, so I will select a 29th Feb. So January 2023 to Feb 2024. And here also you can see 1st Jan 2023 to 29th Feb. Okay. Now the reverse is after. So in after what will happen? The to date will be disabled and only from date is enable. So now you can see here the January starting point. So let me say March, or let me say Feb 2024, 2023. We'll see March 20, March 2023. So now starting point is March 2023 to April 2024. And here you can also on the first visual, you can also see 1st March to 9th April. 9th April. In the second visual, the starting month is March 2023 and end month is April 2024. So let's see the other option, drop down. So you can see here the dates are in the drop down. So you can, if you can select like this. So in a drop down style. Now relative date. So relative date has basically three options: the last, next, and this. And we'll see the each option. And here you can see the day, week, month, year. Okay. So we'll say last 2 month. So last 2 months means 60 or 61 days fall between the Feb 24 to April 24. So if you can see the starting point is a 9th Feb to 8 April. Okay. Now you want, like, last 2 months means Feb and March. The running month is April 2024. So how to do this? So just click on the month and say calendar. So now you can see Feb and March. And a starting point is on the top visual. A starting point is the 1st Feb to 31st March. And in the below visual, you can see the Feb 2024 to March 2024. Now, similarly for this year, so it will show you the last two last 2 years. So it is showing the in the second visual it is showing 2023 to 2024, and we do not have data for 2022. That is the reason it is not showing. If you can see here also date, so 9th April 2022 to 8th April 2024. And if I will select a calendar, so it will change. It is showing 1st January 2022 to 31st 12 2023. And it's supposed to show us the 2022 data also, but we do not have a data, so it is showing for the only for 1 year data. No, similarly for you can say last 2 days. So this month visual will not show you, only show you the April, but last 2 days will be the 7th and 8th April. So last 2 weeks, same. And last 2 weeks calendar is the same rule apply, whatever we have seen in the for the month and month calendar. And now second option, we can see next two. So here we will see the next 2 days. So next 2 days is 8th April and 9th April. This month we do not have May, June 2024, so it will not show us. Week also, if you select a week, so same date. Even week calendar also same. Week calendar is not showing anything because it is showing the week calendar 14 April, and we do not have data. We have data till 9th April. So that is the reason it is not showing. So let me clear that and let me select a next. And if I select a next month, so it will show me for April. Okay. And next year will be the only 2024. Now we have another option, this. So it will show you the current year data. So here you can see the 1st Jan is second visual, the 1st Jan 2024 to April 2024. Okay. And here you can see the 1st Jan to 9th April 2024. So 9th April 2024. So these are the option where you can customize your date slicer. And that's all for this video. And I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.